in the South Goa district, we have registered 12 cases of duping the victims. In these cases, there are 21 accused persons. We have arrested 20 accused persons. Out of these 20 accused persons, there are 2 government servants and one lady. She is at large and we are tracking her. We have seized from them 12 incriminating material, as well as we have seized 2 minibuses, 12 four-wheelers, 4 two-wheelers. Their bank accounts of incriminating persons also have been found and they have been also freezed. In these cases, the investigations are carried on day-to-day basis. We'll see that each case is taken to the logical end to bring down each and every person involved in these cases. Thank you.
Madam, before moving forward, out of 21 accused, how many are women and how many are
Women are there are 6 women and there are 14 men.
But another 21 accused you said, no?
There is one female. She is at large.
So total 7.
The total amount is running to 5 crores and above.
ये केस का मामला में कितना सालों से कवर हो रहा है?
This is happening since the year 2015, 14-15.
Sir, madam, any political connections?
Absolutely, till date, no political connections have come forward. Accused are just saying that they were feigning to create a sort of ambience to say that we know. Otherwise, there is no linkage of any political connections at all. There are different chains. Even to the extent, one of the case that we have got, they said that they would be providing job across the border in Karwar.
How many offences has been registered in South total overall?
12.
Only 12.
We are inquiring into the matter. We have also asked for information from the applicant who has given us the application with his complaint. We have sought for certain clarifications from him.
Any government officials, any connections with him?
Absolutely nothing till date. We have sought for information from in this matter with the applicant. It is word of mouth publicity. Word of mouth. We are unearthing everything. They are all separate cases.
If they are not connected with any of this, maybe political or this, they get so much money they have collected and they had kept their money with themselves.
Yes. Till now they have kept the money with them. Some of the money, because people have started approaching, some have returned some money also through them. Otherwise, what we can see from the case of the lady first one, Pooja Naik, she wanted to have Aishwaram Jindagi. Even what we saw with Deepashri also, she wanted to have the luxurious going around. That's how they invested money, which is with the four-wheeler vehicles and all. We have seized those vehicles also.
But in any case, she successfully gave a job to someone that was hired somewhere like that. So she get a job
Yet no, not so far.
अशें झालां की बाय लक म्हणजे ताणें पयशे घेतल्या बाय मेरिट्साचेर तो भुरगो कामाक लागला आणि ही आनी 4 जाणांक सांगलें वचून की आपल्याच खातीर लागलो कामाक म्हणून तशें बीन जालां
ना अजून पर्यंत असो येवना एकटो येवना
स्कॅन जातल्यो म्हणजे प्रोडक्शन म्हणटा तुमी हे करताले आनी
We are collecting all the evidence from all sides. We are recording the statements of the witnesses who are coming forward also and giving the statements that there are bank transactions also in some matters where we have found that they have given the money. Now, in one of the investigations as we were doing, we found some documents also which were exchanged by those candidates, so-called candidates, to these people, which we have found with them. Sort of appreciative biodata of theirs.